Hi guys, Duron Dimmock, Generational Wealth Partners. Let's kind of talk a little bit about what it takes to get started and, flipping your first deal or building your first home. Let's kind of talk about that. So real quick, I want to talk about hard money. I've talked about it before in videos, but what you guys want to look at is getting a hard money lender, all right? Finding a coach, finding a broker, and start putting together that team. Now you got interchangeable pieces with that team, which is the general contractor and the subcontractors. But your coach should be able to find that GC, find those subcontractors, and also keep that project going, okay? You guys can watch my videos. I go over all of this. But let me tell you something, just give you some quick hits real quick on you getting, started and flipping your first property or renovating your first property, okay? First thing is, again, find out, what you can get approved for. How much down payment? To do an all-in house for $250,000, you're probably gonna need about $45,000 down with hard money, okay? You're gonna make the same amount that you probably put down. That's probably what you're gonna be looking at making on the property. So if you put 45 down, you're probably gonna make another 45,000 when you sell the property. On top of the fact that you get your 45,000 back that you put down, because that 45 that you brought to the table, it came directly off the property. So now you're gonna get a check for $90,000, 45 of the money you put down, plus the 45 you're making on the property. Can you make more? Absolutely. People down here in Atlanta flip properties making anywhere from $55,000 to $115,000 in 6 months or less. It is very, very doable, okay? It's very, very doable. Look behind me. It's very, very doable, okay? So if you guys want more information, just give me a call. Schedule a call, okay? Schedule a call. Doesn't cost anything. We're not going to sell you on anything. We're just going to give you some direction and give you some information. So schedule that call. Click the link. I look forward to talking to you.